Good morning. I'm Richard and this is Tom. We provide software that disrupts the lending industry, making it cheaper, faster and safer. And we're privileged to work with some of the world's largest brands. Last year at Finovate, we showcased our virtual collector product, a tool that automates the debt negotiation process, providing much better outcomes for both the customer and the lender alike. We believe that the only person that needs to be involved in the lending process is the customer. So right from the outset, they're applying online, e-signing their contract, and getting the funds delivered to their bank account in no time at all. So far, so good. But generally, we find that that's where the digital experience starts to falter. Last year, we undertook some independent research, and we identified that the majority of consumers now want to manage their own finances in their own way. So in their environment rather than in the lender's environment. So this year, we're addressing that problem and we're launching the next iteration of our digital lending platform here at Finovate. So let's consider the use case. Tom here has a loan with our fictional finance company and his financial circumstances have improved, let's say for the better. Let's call it the Finovate bonus. So Tom needs to go and renegotiate his loan payments with the lender. And ordinarily, that would involve him getting in touch with the call center and all of the normal pain that ensues. But today, we're going to demonstrate how he can manage that process on his own using the functionality on an iPhone. Thanks so much, Tom.
Thanks, Richard. Okay, so I'm just going to log into the application. So once I've logged in, it just asks me to check my details are still valid and current, and they are in this case, so I'm just going to click Continue. Once you have logged in and your details are current, you're presented with a menu screen. So as Richard says, I've got a little bit more money because of Finovate, apparently. So I'm going to click Reschedule Loan to see what I can do with that extra money. So I've got a few different options I can play with here, but the first thing I'm going to do is just see what difference a lump sum payment against my loan would make. So let's go not too far, 200, and then what difference or how soon I can shorten my term by just increasing my monthly payments too. So I'll just lock that one and just, so great. By not changing it a great deal, I can shorten the length of the loan. Click Next. So this screen just allows me to review what I've done on the previous screen. So a lump sum of £226 and an increase of monthly payments by £12 allows me to finish my loan sooner. So this is correct. Here it's asking for payment details. I've already got a card on the account, so I'm going to check that's the right one and just click Yes to proceed. And at this point, using fairly standard payment gateways, it just approves the card. So to recap, it's taken the lump sum, it's rescheduled my loan, and it's shortened the term of the loan. And there's nothing else that we can do to help me today.
That's great. Thanks very much, Tom. Okay, so that process was very straightforward for Tom. It provided him with the opportunity to model the precise financial details that he wanted. So not only did he pay off an amount of his loan with a lump sum payment, but he was also able to increase his monthly payments in order to reduce the period by which he's going to repay that loan. If you tried doing that in a normal call center, that would have just taken ages, and he'd have probably got fed up with the process. So we believe that this software will provide a demonstrable benefit not only to the customer, giving them more control over the financial circumstances, but also to the lender in providing them with a more seamless channel for digital. We're Nostrum Group. We make credit and lending cheaper, faster, and safer. Thank you very much.